take two, just in case take one didn't work. Alright, so we're out here this morning. Even though we're in a greenhouse, it still gets cool in here at night, and it can dry out overall. And so what we're trying to do, even though we're in the greenhouse, we still need some kind of like a biodome over this. And I don't have any for this particular size, but I do have something that will work, and this is a biodome hack, if you will. Get you some Hefty 1 gallon storage bags, freezer bags. You're going to cut the zipper off, as you can see, and then we're going to put it over the top of each corner, and these here will stretch some, just like that. And now we have a Hefty biodome for our seed tray, and this is like a 3x6 style tray. It will cut into the corner a little bit, but we just want them on there for a few days until they sprout. And if you're worried about how you water them, you don't want to keep taking the bag on and off, because they will make tear over time. But we're going to get a bucket of water, and at this point we just need the moisture from the water. It don't matter if it's city water, county water, rain water, whatever, well water. Put it in a bucket, submerge it down to right at the top, and then leave it in there for about a minute and a half till you see it start turning browner, it's getting moisture. And then just take it up, and then it'll have plenty of moisture in there to germinate the seed. After the seed germinates, we're going to take these off, and we're going to save them for next year. And so there you have your do-it-yourself biodome for seed trays. Now that other brands may work, this is all I've got. This is what we use for persimmons. Same brand. Biodome. Biodome. I mean, it's really quick and simple. I'll take you over here. This is some I done this morning about 6 o'clock when the idea hit me. These were some of the first ones, and it's already got condensation in here and that's what you want. You want to trap that heat and humidity, mainly the humidity, so it keeps the seed moist, as well as it acts like a mini greenhouse inside the big greenhouse, but even more so at night is the main thing. And then with the seed mats, that'll help keep the soil warm, so we should be getting some sprouting, hopefully, 5 to 7 days. Ain't that cool? And these, well, they used to be cheap, they're more expensive now, and it works for any size. Like these here are a little smaller ones, just a 3 cell, a little wider. Now they don't fit as good, but it still serves its purpose. Ain't that cool? So now we fit to do the round ones. Let's see how it goes. Got a little time before work. You can probably use a rubber band or zip tie or something like that to hold it on. Rubber band would be better. And you may could get two in here of the round one. Let's see. You just have to be careful when you're carrying it. Oh yeah, look at that. Now we got two. You just pick up both of them, carry them together. Awesome.